Hey guys, so I found this nice little website that talks about TSBs. Now, if you don't know what those are, they're technical service bulletins that dealers put out, or manufacturers, and Honda puts them out. And I found that this site talks a lot about all the ones that we've been dealing with. So it's carproblemzoo.com here at the bottom, and it shows you each year how many service bulletins are out. I thought it was pretty neat. So I'm going to show you guys how to navigate it on your phone here. Has some interesting problems that it shows. So here, as you see, it has a little graph and it tells you by model year what has the most service bulletins. Pretty neat to see too. You can see when it peaks, and then it's like the 2012 model years were really low. It was a good year for the Accord. Then how previous, you see the 01 has a lot. It's pretty neat here though, but the thing I wanted to share with you guys is a lot of us been having issues with like maybe the HVAC rattling going on. Well, if you look in here, this is the 2020. Here's one that talks about the leaky front rocker arm control. So if you guys are experiencing that, well, they're working on a TSB for it. And you just scroll down, and every model year has different amounts of TSB, of course, but you can kind of see what we've been complaining about, that Honda is actually listening and making some changes here. Here's one talks about a warning red light for the brake system. Here's one, certain ones, the indicator light. Let's see what else we got here. A rattle coming from the HVAC system. So this one, a lot of us have been dealing with. So they're working on some of the fixes, probably a revised heater box. So that's good to know. So we'll just go out here and we'll try a different year here. So let's look at the 18s. Now some of these will be the same because they're carrying from 18 to 20. But look at this, the paint peeling. They're working on that. So a lot of things that we've been complaining and having problems about, they're actually making changes to it. So that's good to hear. I mean, you can see them. I didn't even know this stuff existed too, all these things. And someone I saw on Facebook had a problem when they go over bumps and it was stock suspension, that there was like clunking. Well, there's a TSB for that already too. Let's see if I can find it. Here's the HVAC system rattle. Let's see. And so they're duplicated too. So as you scroll down, you're going to see they're two of the same thing, but you just keep scrolling down. See if we can find it here. Here's unusual steering feel at highway speeds. So they're looking into this to find a solution for it. So that's good to hear, because that's half the battle is getting them to recognize it. So it's really positive news here. Here's another one with the paint peeling. 2018 models. It's talking about roof paint peeling. So if you guys are experiencing that, you might want to pursue it because they already know about it. The brake warning light. Let's see what else we got here. Pulsation in the brakes when applying brakes at highway speeds. So maybe it's something that you didn't do. Maybe there's a problem. You know, it's not that you warped your rotors or something. That could be a problem. Or a gas smell. Here's a gas smell. And at certain Accords, Civics, CRVs, Odysseys, pretty much every car they have from 16 to 19. So it's very good information. So if you're thinking, oh, you just got a bad car or whatever, there's information here that will really help you. You know, like this. A sound through your speakers. You can remove the little speaker and see if the foam is damaged. That could be the cause of it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's really helpful. Like I said, I didn't even know it existed. It lists every single TSB that they have. So instead of Honda just like not paying attention, they're doing things to make improvements here. So it's good news, guys. Check it out. Again, carproblemzoo.com. See if something that you're experiencing is included here, and then reach out to your dealer. And it should definitely get the ball rolling. Okay, guys? Hope that helps you guys. Hope everyone's staying safe. And I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks again.